All right, so I crashed my drone the other day and I actually damaged the propeller on it. I was flying my drone thinking that I could practice getting one of those cool shots where the drone's like moving around the truck and focusing on it, and it's gonna have like a nice smooth transition. And I don't know, I thought, oh, I could fly close to the truck, but I'll be all right. And then sure enough, I rammed it right into the side of the truck, and then the blades were under the truck, flipping around, scratching until I got it to shut off. And so, yeah, that's what happened. And that's how I crashed my drone. Well, I'm going to show you how to easily replace your propellers. And so this one's damaged right here. It's just got a couple little nicks in it. And this one has like kind of a raised edge to it, and this one's got a pretty good scratch in it. I got a couple of wings, and I got the toolkit to replace the wings. So I am going to figure out which ones are the worst, and I think it's this set right here, because it's got this actually raised lip, and this one is split pretty good. And these ones are just a couple nicks. So I think those ones are okay. I'm going to replace these two. So something that you want to pay attention to is on the wing itself, it says A2 and A2. And so then if you look at these other ones, this one says B1, this one says A2, this one says B1. You want to replace these with a A2. So look at your wings, and right here, this one says A2, and this one says B1. I do have an extra A2, so I'm gonna grab that right now, and I'll put the B1 away. So I'm just gonna take these out. You just use your screw, hold the motor in place, comes right out. It's really simple to replace your wings. So when you're putting this thing together, just make sure you don't cross thread it, and make sure that it is flush up against the motor. There you go. And now I got my two A2 propellers in place. Now it's good to fly again. I am going to continue to hold on to these just in case I crash it again and it gets damaged more than these. I hope you found this video useful.